Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. We're still on the DMMC Mapmakers Club pack here from January 14th, it turns out, of 1996. We're now on the level Pool of Death. We went through foul play, didn't we? Wait, no we didn't. For some reason I thought we did. We went through dodge grenade. Okay. So it'll be foul play first. Looks like a lot of the weapons are remote. It's kind of funny everyone's starting off in the same spot. Let's see how easily I can reach the actual weapons. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a big race, I think, looking at this. I don't know if there's a chip for that. Let's see what that switch does. Oh, there we go. Platform. I saw something underwater here, like a weapon, but no. This looks like a solo level, really. There's even a save pattern, so that's kind of weird and funny. Could this be a solo level? Just packaged with the net play stuff? Because yeah, I feel like... Oops. How did they get up there? It's kind of a weird little elevator. Kind of funny, I could always just revert to the saved game to finish exploring. But I can't get anywhere fast enough. Yeah, there's not much to it, but actually it looks like I just kind of went around anyway. Just kind of goes around the map. Just kind of a weird concept. I don't even think I saw where the weapons are. So it's like you're supposed to rush with everyone with your pistols and fists. Yeah, I just can't get far enough that way. What's behind here? Another chip, so that could come in handy for the repository down there. Does it still work here? No. Well, might as well explore since the actual match is finished. See what I might have missed. Kind of interesting. I haven't really encountered, come to think of it, a net map that involves chips like that. It really just seems like they sort of repackaged at least what was originally going to be like a solo level for net play. So let's see, can I get up there this way? Maybe if I run up. You're supposed to probably like rocket or grenade launch yourself up there, but I can't use the map either. So, whatever, that's it for the map. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you next time and we'll cover Pool of Death. See ya.